Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dark aesthetic coloring for your videos on the CapCut PC. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit, then just click on it and then go to the adjustment tab, and in here click on the curves. Okay, so now you can see you need to make sure that this apply to all, so check this box right here, then adjust it like this. Okay, I'm going to add it in here and drag it to move like this, and then add another one in here and put this right here. Okay, after that go to basic. Now just scroll down until you find this adjustment. So for the temperature, lower it to -18. Okay, I'm going to just type in to make it quick, and the hue -9, saturation -4, then scroll down, and for the brightness, lower it to -3, contrast 11, highlight, increase it to only 3, and then shadow -6. Scroll down again, and for the sharpen, lower it, increase it to 3. Scroll down again until you find vignette. So you can this is optional, but I'm going to add around 8. Okay, now click on the add chisel tab. So basically in here you just need to adjust it based on your clips. So here for the red color on the hue, I'm going to increase it to 22, saturation 6. Oops. And the brightness -23. So for the orange, hue 20, saturation -23, and the brightness also -23. Now on the yellow one, set the hue to 13, saturation -29, brightness -17, and now on the green color, set the hue to 24, saturation -9, and brightness -33, like this. And for the light blue and the rest of the color, you can just adjust it to your liking. I'm going to lower the hue, adjust the saturation, and lower the brightness. Okay, so now it's done, and that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, and this will be the result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on